Hey guys, alright, so I did my brows off camera. I'm just going to go in with the Mocha Mami bronzer from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to use that on my eyes. Guys, my camera actually died, so I didn't get to record me doing my eyeliner, but if you guys want an eyeliner tutorial, let me know. Now I'm just applying my lash, because y'all know I love a good lash. Going in with my Makeup Forever primer. You guys, if you have oily skin, this is for you. Thank me later. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Putty primer. You guys, e.l.f. has this on sale for 25% off, so go get you one because you know we love a sale. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundation. Now, y'all know this is my favorite foundation. Oily skin, hot weather, it's perfect. Now I'm going in with my concealers. So I'm using, I'm trying this out from Juvia'S place, trying to see how I like it. And I'm mixing it with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now y'all know that's my vibe. Y'all know I love that concealer. It is amazing. Now I'm going to contour. I'm going in with this e.l.f. 16-hour concealer. I'm trying it out. You guys, I'm not going to lie. I actually like it. This is everything for $6. Now I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup to set my highlight. Now you guys know I love this powder, but I actually want to try a different powder now. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Now I'm going to go in with my bronzer and I'm just going to contour. I'm going to use the Covergirl Full Spectrum in Ebony Bronze and Mocha Mami from Fenty Beauty. Honestly, there's really no reason why I do it. I'm just extra and I just like how it looks, to be honest. Now I'm going to set my face with MAC Studio Fix Powder in the shade NC47. You guys, I'm actually looking for a new face powder, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Next, I'm going to put on some blush, and this is Stubborn from MAC. This is so pretty and definitely complements the lip. Now I'm just going to add some highlight with that Lorac highlighter. You guys, I don't know if they even make this anymore. I know that they used to sell it in Sephora, but yeah. This was definitely in my stash, and I was like, ooh, she's cute. Now I'm going to line my waterline with Graphblack eyeliner from MAC. You guys, this is one of my favorite black eyeliners. It's everything. It literally lasts all day. So I just applied some mascara on my bottom lashes, and now I'm going to go in with Nightmoth lip liner from MAC. Now I'm going in with this liquid matte lipstick from Juvia'S place. I'm going to list the name of it in the description box. You guys, be proud of me, please, because this took a lot for me to do some color on my lips, because y'all know I love a good nude lip. But I will say that the formula is amazing, super comfortable, lasts all day, and it's not super drying like most matte lipsticks. Well, most liquid matte lipsticks. So this is the completed look. You guys, I am in love. Now, you guys know I am a nude girl all the way, but I'm definitely feeling this lip. This is a perfect fall lip. Honestly, I feel like you could wear this in spring too, but it's just beautiful for fall. It just pops. It's not too much. It's not too little. It's just right. I'll list all the products that I use in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until later, bye.